Yeah, guys, how are you today? So, this is my first attempt. I don't know why I thought sliding this glass in would be a great idea. I thought it would be a cool effect. So, right there, I got it. I got it. Now it's time for my protein shake. My counter isn't as slick as I like it to be. Perfect. Did it. Figured why not try one more time. Then I remembered, okay, that looks good, but do you want the straw in there? So I removed both the cup and the shake. This time, let's try it without a straw. The struggle is real. Now, of course, I could have just placed these, but that's not me. Why would I place it? Why make things easy? Nuts. So here I just completely was like, all right, I'll just edit, which is exactly what I did. Edit. Here I am trying to pour with the straw in my hand. Bloop. Made a mess. I figured, why not go for a long shot? A long pour. From heights unseen. Girl be in her head. Calm down. A little whipped cream. Overthinking a insert. And there you have it. Oh, wait. There you have it. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in.